Smart Press Brake Operation Tutorial applicable for Smart Type DELEM DA-53T 0 to Part 1. Fill the oil and cable connections. Filling the oil tank with anti-wear hydraulic oil. Fill the oil from this port, no less than 2/3 of the oil volume level. Connect the machine to the power source. Connect the cable to the electrical box. Connect to a 3-phase power source. Connect the earth wire. Switch on the power source. Connect the pedal switch to the machine. Turn on the machine power switch. Waiting for the system loading. Check the main motor's rotating direction. Pull down the soft buttons. Press the pump start button shortly. Check the main motor's rotating direction. If it rotates clockwise, then it is correct. If it is rotating anti-clockwise, exchange the two wires connection. Part to machine startup. Turn on the machine power switch. Part to machine startup. Turn on the machine power switch. Waiting for the system loading. Release the emergency stop buttons. Pull down the soft buttons. Turn on the lights. Press the pump start button. Press the start button and find reference points. Finding reference points is done. Test the X-axis running. Test the R-axis running. Test the crowning system running. Check the tooling parameters. Measure the tooling to compare with the data. Part 3 Bending Programming. Input the password 42. Input the product ID. Input the sheet thickness. Selecting the tooling. Input the bending length. Input the bending angle. Enter the x-axis distance. Add the second bending step. Check program data. Ready to start. Part for bending products. Place the metal sheet. The sheet will touch the stop fingers. Step the pedal. Complete step 1. Press the pedal. Complete step 2. Part 5 Measurement and Calibration. Measure the first bending distance. Measure the second bending distance. Using the angle ruler, measure the bending angles in 3 positions: left, middle and right. Error found. Measured at 91 degrees. Enter the calibration parameters -1. Bend again for testing. Measure again. It is correct now. Part 6 Other functions. Laser protection. Input 01 to open laser protection. The slider will break immediately once the laser is blocked. Input 00 to close laser protection. The slider will run normally even if the laser is blocked. Pedal control mode switch. Pull down the soft buttons. Click the blue button to open the jog mode. The slider will press down when stepping the pedal, and slider will stop accordingly when stopping to step the pedal under the jog mode. Click the blue button to open the retract mode. The slider will press down when stepping the pedal, and slider will retract upwards when stopping to step the pedal under the retract mode. Safety light curtain. Once an obstruction enters the protection zone, the slider stops moving. The control system will also alert immediately. Part 7 Switch off. Step the pedal switch to lower the punch against the die. Press the stop button. Switch off the pump. Press the emergency stop buttons. Turn off the power switch.
HARSLE. Save time, money.